This is the AI News Flash for April 15th, 2 a.m. UTC. First up, Broadcom and Meta have announced an expanded multi-year strategic partnership to co-develop the industry's first 2-nanometer AI compute accelerator. The deal extends through 2029 and will support the large-scale deployment of Meta's next-generation MTIA training and inference chips. The initial commitment exceeds 1 gigawatt of compute infrastructure, with plans to scale to multi-gigawatt levels. Broadcom CEO Hock Tan will step down from Meta's board to serve as an advisor on the custom silicon roadmap. Broadcom shares rose 3% in after-hours trading. Next, Taiwan's Nanya Technology reported a record net profit of 26 billion new Taiwan dollars in the first quarter of 2026. The surge was driven by DRAM average, selling prices jumping more than 70% quarter over quarter, despite a mid-single-digit decline in shipment volume. A further double-digit price increase is expected in the second quarter as major manufacturers shift away from DDR4 production toward AI-focused HBM memory. Nanya secured a $2.5 billion private placement backed by SanDisk, Kioxia, and Soliding. The company warns the DRAM shortage will persist through 2028, driven by structural demand from AI data centers. Third, South Korean AI startup Upstage has become the country's first generative AI unicorn after closing a $125.9 million Series C first round. Its Solar Pro 2 model, with 31 billion parameters, ranks among the global top 10 frontier models and is the only Korean-built model on that list. Upstage is planning an IPO in the second half of 2026, with KB Securities and Murray Asset as lead underwriters. The company has also established a sovereign AI partnership with AMD, marking a new chapter for Korea's AI ecosystem. And finally, Amazon has agreed to acquire satellite service provider Globalstar for approximately $11.6 billion. The deal bolsters Amazon Leo, formerly known as Project Kuiper, a low Earth orbit satellite network designed to deliver high-speed broadband globally. Amazon aims to launch a direct-to-device satellite system by 2028, positioning itself as the primary challenger to SpaceX's Starlink. Apple, which owns approximately 20% of Globalstar, has signed a separate agreement to ensure continued satellite safety features for iPhone and Apple Watch. The space infrastructure race among tech giants is intensifying. But that's all for this AI News Flash.